So today I'm excited to talk about how to use computer vision to understand image quality in online marketplaces. Anyone with experiences in online marketplaces knows that images play a very important role. That's why product photography has been an industry that's worth billions of dollars a year. However, user-generated images are playing a more and more important role in these marketplaces. This is mainly due to the accessibility to mobile photography, as well as the increasing peer-to-peer and mobile-based nature in these marketplaces. User-generated images are used to sell secondhand goods, of course, but they are also used in online reviews, but ultimately they affect how people make decisions in these marketplaces. However, there is a big problem with image quality generated by users is they are of wildly different quality. Sometimes they can be pretty good, but other times they are a little bit sketchy. Just imagine the last time you browsed Craigslist and how enjoyable that was. So it's important to ask the question, how does image quality affect online marketplaces? And importantly, how does that compare to stock images in these regards? These are the sort of questions that our research project tries to answer. In particular, we conducted a large-scale study of image quality, looking at mainly two categories, shoes and handbags, because they're popular and easy to study with computer vision. And second, we constructed a data set and annotated with image quality label from crowd workers asking these human raters to rate the image quality and how attractive those images are. And then we modeled and conducted analysis as well as user experiments in understanding how they affect image quality, how they affect marketplace outcomes. So there are main three takeaways from the results. First, we were able to predict high and low image quality with fairly high accuracy, in fact, around 90%. We achieved this by fine-tuning Inception 3 network using our dataset. And it's worth noting that this outperforms the models fine-tuned on a previously available aesthetic quality AVA dataset, showing that product photography has its own rules, and that's not the same as just photography aesthetics overall. These models can be used to rank and filter images on these marketplaces to improve the quality overall, as well as user satisfaction perception. Second, in addition to prediction, we also want to gain a deeper understanding of the factors that predict higher image quality. To do that, we resort to vintage or classic computer vision techniques to extract features that are easily understandable, such as brightness, contrast. We threw everything in a linear regression model to identify the most important features that leads to higher perceived quality. We showed that three main factors, brightness, symmetry, and proper crop, lead to higher trustworthiness. These features are interesting because they can be computed and easily on device and potentially can guide users to take better pictures in real time and provide them feedback through potentially novel user interfaces such as augmented reality. And finally, even if we can tell the good and bad pictures apart, and even if we can nudge the users to take higher quality images, does it matter for the marketplace? To do this, we showed that through a user experiment that high quality images selected by our models outperform stock imagery in generating perceived trust from the users. This was very surprising because stock imagery has been considered as the gold standards for so many years. We asked the users why they felt that way, and they said that, I believe the products from these sellers will meet my expectations when delivered. If that's not enough to convince you, we also run external collaboration with eBay, showing that image quality predicted by our model also leads to higher sales. So in summary, we were able to predict quality with high accuracy. We were able to gain a better understanding of quality as well. And we also showed that higher user-generated images can lead to higher sales, outperforming stock imagery. The results of the study were presented in a paper, and you're welcome to find me or chat with me more to learn more about the details. Thank you.